teach you how to verify your account. Just go to avfxcapital.com, then click the login button, and it will take you directly to login.avfxcapital.com. You just have to put your registered email and password, then click sign in. And on your client dashboard, you can add a widget to customize your dashboard according to your needs. And as you can see here, if it's level 0, meaning it's unverified. If it's level 1, meaning it's verified. Then click upgrade level to upload your proof of identity, such as passport, government issued ID, and driver's license. Just click here to upload. And you can upload your proof of address, such as proof of residency, utility bill. And you can add an additional document such as bank statement, then click send. Or you can also click the profile tab and click the verification tab, then next step, to submit the required documents for proof of identification. And on your registered email, you will receive an email confirmation within 24 to 48 hours once approved. And congratulations, your account now is verified and you are on a level 1. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.